Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's good to have you back. Okay, so today I'll be doing another juice with a twist, as you know I like to do. Okay, so as you can see, we have melons here. We have a melon here, and it is cut up into some pieces. Now, what am I going to do with this melon? I am actually going to grate the melon instead of blending it or running it through what I see they use that is called a bullet or something to that effect, or the bullet blender. So we want the natural juice from the melon. I don't want to add any water, so this is what I do. Alright, so see, it's grating. This is what I get from the melon that I had. I am now going to run it through the strainer, and then I mix with some lime and sugar. So we use the spoon to get the juice expressed a little faster. I'm going to squeeze a lime in it and then taste to see how much sugar I need to put in it. It's not going to take a lot of sugar, just a little. You don't want to over sweeten your drink. So there you have it, your natural melon juice done with the grater. Okay, so tell me what you think about this juice and how you make it. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell if you want to get more videos.